love, I never knew this day would come. We started as friends. I used to call you Bunso, but you never called me ate. I think even then, you already knew that I was not your ate, but your wife.
Hi Marcy, Ira. Ang simpleng hindi ko pagtawag ng ate noon, napunta na pala sa pagtawag ko ng love ngayon.
I am beyond blessed and grateful to have you in my life. I promise to love you with the love of the Lord, to be your confidant and your greatest love. I will love you unconditionally, respect you, and stand by your side through all of life's challenges and joys. Marcy, pangakong susuportahan kita sa lahat ng bagay na alam kong makabubuti sa'yo sa pamilyang bubuuin natin.
Play it back again, just one more time, 'cause I wanna see it whenever I
Pangakong ikaw
close
lang
my
ang lalaking mamahalin hanggang sa huli. At ikaw lang ang lalaking gustong makasama hanggang sa pagtanda. Because with you, I found my home and my safe haven. I promise to be faithful and true, and I will strive to be the partner you deserve. I love you.
Tell me it will always be like this. Promise that you won't let me forget. Into the morning, chasing the light, sure as the day turns into night. Tell me it will always be like this, just like this.
Kung paano ko inibig ang mga tao na ibiniwis ko ang buhay sa krus para mabayaran ang kanilang kasalanan, ganon din mo ibubuwis ang buhay mo bilang pagtanggap at pagiging asawa kay Ira Charis.
Marami akong nagawa dahil sa payo ninyo ni Mother, kaya maraming salamat. Yun lang po.
Wala man po si Mami ngayon. Alam ko po na masaya siya dahil si Ryan yung mapapangasawa ko. Sobrang nagpapasalamat ako sa inyong dalawa.
We've got everything.
Kaya love, masaya ako ngayon na ikaw ang kasama. Saan man tayo dalhin ng panahon, ikaw at ako, pangako mamahalin kita at hahalagaan. Simula noon hanggang ngayon, sa mga darating pang araw, pangako ikaw lang at aking mamahalin.
Tell